2018 BMW 2 Series Review. With an abundance of performance and refinement, BMW's 2 Series proves good items come in small packages. Even because BMW 2 Series hits the midway mark in their current generation, it remains a solid choice among entry-level luxury sport coupes and convertibles. Benefiting from elements pulled from costlier models inside BMW lineup, the 2 main series boasts a lot of features your money can buy, strong performance in spite of which engine you end up picking, and each of the style and refinement expected of the BMW. It's fantastic to drive, whether due to the exciting dynamics or merely in your daily commute. Unlike some models inside the class that sacrifice comfort for handling, the 2 Series delivers both at impressive levels. Quite simply, it is just a must-see from the market. What's new? Aside from an available upgraded instrument panel, the BMW 2 Series is unchanged for 2018. For most drivers, the BMW 230i can have an abundance of power. It's well equipped, but we'd propose adding the optional driving assistance package that features some advanced security measures for a very good price. Trim levels and features. The 2018 BMW 2 Series is accessible as a coupe or convertible in 230i or M240i trims that happen to be mainly distinguished by engines. The 230i coupe is powered by way of a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 248 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque. The M240i turns into a turbocharged 3.0-litre inline 6-cylinder 335 horsepower, 369 lb-ft. Both engines are followed by an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends capacity to the rear wheels. All-wheel drive can be acquired as a choice for all models, while a 6-speed manual can be acquired at no additional cost on all rear-wheel drive models with the exception of the 230i convertible. The 230i coupe's standard features include 17-inch wheels, LED headlights, LED fog lights, automatic wipers, selectable drive modes, cruise control, keyless entry and ignition, dual-zone automatic climate control, simulated leather upholstery, power-adjustable front sport seats, driver memory settings, 6040 split folding rear seats, a rear-view camera, a 6.5-inch infotainment screen with iDrive control, BMW's connected drive telematics, Bluetooth, a USB input, and also a 7-speaker head unit with a CD player and HD radio. The 230i convertible comes which is a power-folding fabric top along with a mesh wind deflector. Stepping approximately, the 240i coupe or convertible adds 18-inch wheels, an auto-dimming driver side and rear view mirror, a sunroof coupe-only, sporty exterior flourishes, a rear spoiler, a sports activity exhaust, an adaptive suspension, upgraded brakes, a universal garage door opener and satellite radio. Many in the 240i specs are available as choices on the 230i. Notable option packages add the driving assistance package, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning plus a speed limit display, as well as the premium package and navigation system, a guitar panel with added information, remote device of some systems by way of a smartphone app, heated front seat as well as a heated controls. Other add-ons include 19-inch wheels with summer performance tires, back and front parking sensors, adaptive headlights, adaptive cruise control, leather upholstery, a radio charging pad, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay smartphone integration along with a 12-speaker Harman Kardon premium sound system. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. PS. Within this review, use our full test in the 2014 BMW 228i Coupe Turbo 2.0 litres inline 4, 8-speed automatic, RWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the latest 2 Series has brought some revisions, including some added standard features in 2016, increased power output, new model names along with an updated iDrive system in 2017. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the present year's 2 Series, however. Driving, acceleration, braking and handling all combine to generate the BMW 2 Series a striking performer. With the available M Sport adaptive suspension, the poised handling doesn't come for the expense of comfort. There's a great seat over the pants feel, which instills confidence. Acceleration. The 2.0-litre turbo engine gets the 2 Series as much as 60 miles per hour quicker than essentially all of its rivals. Whether storming onto highways or perhaps commuting, shifts through the 8-speed automatic transmission are quick and smooth. Braking. With the optional M Sport brakes and summer tyres, our test vehicle stopped from 60 miles per hour within 111 feet. During these bannock stops, distances were consistent, and also the car remained composed and controllable. Steering. The 2 Series is extremely responsive. Effort is light at slow speeds and weights up appropriately when going faster. Feedback might be lacking, though the M controls feels great within your hands. Handling. It's a total joy to chuck the ball small 2 Series right into a series of sharp bends. In Sport Plus mode, the stiffer suspension settings relay all vital information towards the driver, and also the stability control makes for some thrills. Drivability. In Comfort or Eco Pro modes, the softer suspension settings and dialed-back throttle response make the 2 main series well-mannered for everyday driving. The engine stop-start feature is quick to react and requires no forethought from your driver. Comfort. Even although BMW 2 Series is sport-focused, its ride quality can nonetheless be adjusted to some compliant level. And at least to the front passengers, the degree of comfort is the thing that you'd expect coming from a luxury brand. Seat comfort. The front sport seats offer adjustments for seat cushion angle and length, with power side bolsters. Tall and short drivers alike will discover a perfect position. The rear seats are cramped and ideal for children only. Ride comfort. The available M Sport adaptive suspension gives both the series an array of comfort and satisfaction. Comfort mode admirably smooths out your vast majority of ruts and bumps. But even just in sport mode, bumps should never be intrusive. Noise and vibration. Wind noise is actually absent, and road noise never rises above barely detectable levels. The little engine noise heard at higher revs sounds slightly burly and pleasing. The amount of insulation is excellent for that class. Interior. The 2 Series uses interior components from larger and higher-priced models within the BMW lineup. The design and excellence of materials are in close proximity to identical, and so the car exceeds entry-level expectations. Ease beneficial. Well-placed and clearly labeled controls simplify operation and so are intuitive enough which you don't have to look away from your road to utilize them. The iDrive interface carries a slight learning curve, however it is one on the better systems available. Entering getting out. As small as being the 2 Series is, acquiring it and out with the front seats is fairly pain-free, even during tight parking spaces. There is a long reach back and grab the seat belt, though. The rear seats should be left to smaller passengers. Roominess. The front seats conveniently fit taller occupants, but has a wealth of head and leg room. The rear seats slack both, as well as the low seat cushions make them appropriate for children only. In truth, this really is expected from any compact coupe. Visibility. The forward roof pillars take prescription the thick side, but overall visibility is commendable. Even without the parking sensors, the vehicle is easy to maneuver to a tight parking spot. Quality. Everything about each series features a solid and reassuring feel. Interior materials are top-notch, and all of elements are precisely fitted. It is a true BMW completely. Utility. There are an abundance of pockets and bins inside cabin to host your small items, and also the trunk is greater than those of all competitors. There are few sacrifices considering the Auto's small size. Small item storage. Numerous bins, pockets and cup holders adequately accommodate your own items. Cargo space. Trunk capacity is above average to the class. Remote latches within the trunk make folding the split rear seats effortless.